Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's quick video, I'm just going to show you how to refresh on Google Chrome. So if you've got a page that's crashed or anything along those lines, this is just a handy little thing you can do to basically try and fix that. And if you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what we're going to do is just open up a new Google Chrome browser. And there's actually two different ways you can do this. So I'm just going to load up any web page. So I'm going to come across to google.com. So the first way is if you actually come to the top, and next to the address bar on the left hand side, you've got this kind of circular arrow. So if you go ahead and give that a click, that actually performs a hard refresh, which is the quickest way. You can see the bar goes round at the top here and it refreshes the page. If, for example, your web page has crashed and it's not allowing you to click this button, what you can actually do is on your keyboard, if you press the F5 key, and again, it's going to do the exact same thing. This is just the keyboard shortcut. So hopefully that will fix any problems if you get any web pages that crash. If this doesn't fix it, then what you'll need to do is close down the Google Chrome browser and reload it. But yeah, I hope you did find that helpful. And if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.